Welcome to Alpha Electronics Lab. Today, I will show you how to download and install Arduino IDE and Proteus software step by step. Let us start with the Arduino IDE. Open your browser and search for Arduino IDE. Click on the official Arduino website. Select your operating system: Windows, Mac, or Linux. Click Just Download. Once the download is complete, double tap to open and follow the instructions. Accept the terms and install. After installation, launch the Arduino IDE. You are all set. Next, let us install Proteus. Search for Proteus Professional Download or visit the official Lab Center Electronics website. Click on Free, enter your email and check the box below. They will send you a download link on your email. Go to your email and click on Download. Once the download is complete, double tap to open and follow the instructions carefully. Accept the terms and install. After installation, open Proteus and explore the workspace. That is it. You now have both Arduino IDE and Proteus ready for your electronics projects. Do not forget to subscribe to Alpha Electronics Lab, AEL, for more tutorials. Let's build something awesome together.